Cartoon Animal Dictionary for Kids. Albatross, baboon, camel, deer, eagle, falcon, giraffe, horse, iguana, jackal, kangaroo, lemur, macaw, narwhal, octopus, panda, quail, raccoon, salamander, T-Rex, umbrella bird, vervet, walrus, X-ray fish, yappy, zebra. Subscribe no please.